Hey guys, Tom from Tentworld here. Today with me we have the Jetboil Stash Cooking System. Let's take a look at it. So this Jetboil Stash Cooking System is designed to be a really lightweight and compact system for those who are hiking or going on adventures and they need to take less with them. Everything that you see here actually packs away into the main pan here, which I'll show you at the end. Everything packs away nicely and it stores into that, so it's easy to carry around with you on your adventures. Looking at what's included, everything you see here except for the fuel canister, that is sold separately. But we have our actual main stove here and then all the attachments, and also comes with this cool little canister here. Now this is just for novelty. It actually has no purpose in relation to cooking or the cooking system at all, but it's a great little canister here, and you can store some things in there, and it's got some really nice artwork around the side. So here we've got our 0.8 litre flux ring cook pot, and the whole system actually uses flux ring technology, so that means pretty fast cooking time for such a small system, so you can boil a pot of water in about 2.5 minutes. When it comes to setting up your cooking system here, it is super simple. You've got about 4 different components. We've got the cooktop here, which we'll put to the side, our main ignition area, our gas bottle, which like I said at the start is sold separately, and then obviously the stand here. So it's the 4 parts. Just take note, the Jetboil Jet Power one here, this is the 100 gram, and the 100 gram is the one that fits nicely into here. You can buy larger ones of these, but they won't pack away into the stove. But if you want a larger one and you have the room to take it with you, you can use one of them. Otherwise, the 100 gram one is the one that packs away into the cooktop. So when you're ready to set it up, start with the fuel stand down the bottom here, and we'll clip in our 100 gram fuel canister into this stand. And now before we screw this on, you have 3 little stands here that fold out, and that's what's going to hold the pot when you put it on, so make sure you undo them. They do come packed away, but there are 3 of them, and they'll just fold out into place and they lock automatically in. We'll screw this on to our fuel, make sure it's nice and tight, and on the side here is your fuel flow, so you can turn it on or off. Once that's on, pan goes on top. When you're ready to ignite it, turn the fuel on and get a match or a lighter in there, and that'll start the flame. And when you're ready to pack it away, it is quite simple. I'll show you how to do it. So we'll just take apart all of our sections here, fold that stand back up. Now this actually has its own little carry bag here, just to protect it a bit. Make sure you just flip that down, make it nice compact. Now, as I said before, that novelty canister, this doesn't actually get stored in this because it's not essential for the cooking, so you can just do what you want with that. Fold away our fuel stand, and this is going to go at the bottom of the pan. We'll pop this in next to it. Make sure you put the cap back on the fuel, and then that's just going to slot in upside down next to it. Put the lid on top, and then the handle actually flips back over to keep it all in place. So you just want to pinch those sides in there to loosen it up, and then it flips back into place, and there it is, all stacked away in the actual pot itself. Thanks for watching, guys, and like always, if you have any questions, please visit one of our 15 store locations across Australia or chat to our online team. Happy camping.